Hey, middle school families, Sarah Suki here, middle school principal. Want to check in with a few things for next week. First off, it's the end of the quarter, which is pretty exciting that we've made it to the end of the quarter in the same learning scenario as where we started. We're pretty pleased about that. If your child has anything that they need to have made up that they have missing assignments for in 7th and 8th grade, please make sure to have them complete those by Thursday and get to them to their teacher. It is picture week next week, and so we kick those off already on Tuesday with our 4th through 6th grade students. Wednesday is for A day students, and Thursday for B day students for 7 through 12, and both Wednesday and Thursday. If your child comes every single day, we will have them take their pictures on Wednesday. And so if they're here on Wednesday, they'll be taking them. I think the other piece that we need to talk about is the attendance. If you have a 7th or 8th grader that is here on an A day or a B day, they need to do online attendance when they're home. And so I will be meeting with all students next week about this, but they need to make sure that they're doing their attendance when they need to at home. So we make sure that they're in school and doing what is expected. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. There's a lot of upcoming events and some days off and things that you need to be aware of. Please take a minute and read through the whole newsletter and get the information you need. The picture day links so that you can order from LifeTouch are on the newsletter. So make sure you just take a peek. All right, thanks for your partnership. We will talk to you soon.